Nandita is a little girl who is coming to Mumbai with her mother. She is coming because her mother is sick and she needs treatment. Nandita is from a small village and they don't have many hospitals there. So that's why they have come to Mumbai. Since Nandita is coming to Mumbai for the first time, Mumbai is a completely new place for Nandita. Nandita is coming to Mumbai with her mother by train. They are going to stay at her maternal uncle's house. Maternal uncle means mama. So when the train reached Mumbai station, she was surprised to see so much crowd. She was wondering how will her mama find them in so much of crowd. Just then her mama called her. They are going to her mama's house. Nandita saw so many huts lined all along the narrow street. Finally, they reached the house. Her mama, his wife, two daughters, and one son, they all live in one room. And now two more members will live with them. They sleep, cook, wash, sit all in one room. In Mumbai, there is a specified time at which water comes. So Nandita, Mami and Seema used to get up at 4 o'clock to fill water from the public tap. Like them, everyone from the street used to come to fill water. There is a long line to fill the water, and if they are late, then there will be no water for the whole day. As you can see from the picture, fights for wet water is very common. Just like the common public tap, there is a common toilet at the end of street. Because it is used by everyone in the street, it is always dirty and smells very bad. So Nandita points out the difference between city life and village life. So let's see what are those differences. First is there is no tap in mama's house. Same in village, there is no tap in the houses. Second, public tap is used for water in Mumbai, while in village pond and river water is used. There is very limited water in Mumbai, but there is unlimited water in village. Water is available for only fixed or short time in Mumbai. Water is available every time in village. And if in summer pond water dries, then the water from river is used. There are fights among people for water in Mumbai, but there is no fight in villages. In the street, there is one toilet at the end which is very dirty. While there is no toilet in the village, people go to open places. Everyone in the street uses that toilet. While in village, men and women go to different places. So Nandita's mother is in hospital for her treatment. So she goes to hospital every day by bus. At first she was scared to get in the crowded buses, but with time she is getting used to it. There are many tall buildings in Mumbai. Such a tall building is nearby to where they stay. Her mommy works as a maid in 7 houses in that building. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. Once Nandita went with her mommy. So at first when she saw the building, she thought it was one big house. But later she came to know that there were many houses, one on top of other. She thought how would she climb all the stairs to go up? Then she found out that a lift is used to carry people up and down in these type of tall buildings. She described the lift as a big iron cage with fan and light and even a bell. She was scared to get in the lift at first. So one of the house where her mommy worked is Bablu's house, which is on the 12th floor of the building. She was surprised to see such a big house. There were different rooms for everything: sitting room, dining room, bedroom and kitchen. Toilet was also in the house, which was a surprising thing for her. Later, Nandita saw Bablu put a bucket under the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch the TV and soon forgot about the water. Nandita didn't like that so much water was wasted. So she went and closed the tap. We should also not waste water. Water is precious. Bablu's house had big glass windows. Her mommy told her to look down from the window. She saw her mama's street and many other houses. It was like seeing small toys from so high. Nandita has also heard a lot about Chowpatty. Chowpatty is a beach in Mumbai where people go to have fun. As you can see, there are various stalls of food there. There are various shops. It is a very famous place in Mumbai. But Nandita's mama could not take her anywhere. Why? Because he is worried about his house. He got a notice from BMC to move out of the house. Why? Because a hotel will be built there, so all the people living on the street have been given notices. And this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such notices. Now they have been given the option of another place to make their houses. But that place is very far, almost another corner of the city. Plus it has no electricity. So his mama is worried. Why? Because his decision will affect the whole family. So with this we come to an end of our chapter. Read the chapter again.